Manual cleaning. Disassemble the internal parts of the milk tank lid. Rinse each part thoroughly with water. Dry completely, then reassemble. Automatic cleaning. Turn the milk dial to the cleaning settings. Hold the base of the tank and remove it from the machine. Fill the tank with clean water and reinstall it. Pull out the steam nozzle. Place a 400 milliliters cup under the outlet. Press and hold the single cappuccino and single latte buttons together for 3 seconds. The machine will run at 2 minutes. Cleaning cycle for the milk system.